In today's podcast, we will learn about air. What is the composition of air around us that we even breathe? Dear friends, the air we breathe is a mixture of gases, primarily composed of major components and some trace gases. First, learn about major components. 1. Nitrogen 78%. The most abundant gas in the atmosphere, it is relatively inert and plays a critical role in maintaining atmospheric stability. 2. Oxygen 21%. Essential for respiration in humans, animals, and most other living organisms. 3. Argon 0.93%. A noble gas that is chemically inert and present in small amounts. 4. Carbon dioxide 0.04%. Vital for plant photosynthesis and plays a significant role in regulating Earth's temperature through the greenhouse effect. Trace gases. Neon, helium, methane, krypton, hydrogen, and others make up less than 0.01% of air. Variable components. These vary depending on location and conditions. 1. Water vapor 0.4%. The amount of water vapor depends on humidity levels. 2. Ozone. Found mostly in the upper atmosphere where it forms the ozone layer, but also exists in small amounts near Earth's surface. 3. Dust, pollutants, and aerosols. Tiny particles such as dust, smoke, and chemical pollutants are present in varying quantities. Importance. Oxygen is critical for survival as it enables cellular respiration. Nitrogen is vital for plant growth. Other gases play roles in processes like photosynthesis, atmospheric pressure regulation, and climate control.